Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ItemProperty, a PowerShell Cmdlet for reading Windows Registry values. This is part of our PowerShell Registry series, where we explore how to interact with the Windows Registry using PowerShell commands. Get-ItemProperty is your primary tool for retrieving configuration data stored in registry keys without making any modifications to the system. Get-ItemProperty is a PowerShell Cmdlet that retrieves property values from registry keys. It allows you to read configuration data stored in the Windows Registry safely and efficiently. Think of it as a read-only tool that lets you view settings and values without risking any changes to your system. This makes it perfect for system administrators who need to check configuration settings or troubleshoot issues. The basic syntax of Get-ItemProperty is straightforward. You use the Cmdlet name Get-ItemProperty followed by the -path parameter, and then provide the registry path you want to read from. The path parameter is required and tells PowerShell exactly which registry key you want to retrieve properties from. This simple structure makes it easy to start reading registry values immediately. Let's look at a practical example. To read Windows version information, you would use Get-ItemProperty with the -path parameter pointing to hklm:/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version. This command retrieves all properties stored in that registry key, including details about your Windows installation such as the product name, build number, and version information. Sometimes you don't need all properties from a registry key, just one specific value. In these cases, use the -name parameter to target a single property. For example, adding -name followed by the property name product name will return only the Windows product name instead of all properties in that key. This makes your output cleaner and your scripts more efficient when you know exactly what you're looking for. PowerShell supports two formats for specifying registry paths. The first is the PowerShell drive format, which uses abbreviations like hklm: followed by the path. This is shorter and more convenient for interactive use. The second format is the full registry path, which starts with registry : followed by the complete hive name like hkey_local_machine. Both formats work identically, so you can choose whichever you find more readable. Get-ItemProperty supports several useful parameters. The -path parameter specifies the registry key location and is required for every command. The -name parameter targets a specific property value when you don't need everything. The -filter parameter lets you filter properties by name patterns using wildcards. Finally, the -include parameter allows you to include only specific property names in your results. These parameters give you precise control over what data you retrieve. Let's review the key points. First, Get-ItemProperty reads registry values without modifying them, making it a safe tool for system inspection. Second, always use the -path parameter to specify the registry key location you want to read from. Third, add the -name parameter when you want to retrieve specific property values instead of all properties. With these fundamentals, you're ready to start reading Windows registry data confidently using PowerShell.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.